Friends, when it comes to these electronic products, the first generation is always stunning and the second is perfected. Now, here's the newly released REDMI Pad 2. It's our familiar unboxing segment.
Once it's out of the box, it's still such a compact size. Wow, this color is beautiful. Let's turn it on first, set it aside, and check the accessories at the bottom of the box. Holy moly, Redmi really knows how to play. Do you even know what this is for?
You tear it off, then you can stick it on the back of your Pad 2, and then you can do all kinds of decorations. This is called keeping up with the trend. This can not only be stuck on Pad 2, I can also stick it on my Turbo 5 Max, and also on my K90 Max. Here is a 67-watt A-port charging head.
The color we're holding right now is called Space Silver. Not Spaceman, mind you. That's right, its name is the same as the K90 Max, but the actual color is quite different. The reason for this is very simple. This Pad 2 features a full metal unibody design. It also uses a micron-level ceramic sandblasting process. The direct benefit is this frosted texture, which feels very delicate and skin-friendly. The camera module features an integrated volcano-like design. The back panel truly looks minimalist, and the texture is excellent. Up front, an 8.8-inch 3K LCD screen. This size, of course, carries on the pad's design. Everyone said it easily fit in a pocket, a keypad advantage. So, what upgrades does this generation bring? First, let's check out the power button right here. That's right, it finally features side fingerprint recognition. Next, it has an additional custom button right here. You can assign various functions to it, such as rage mode, eye protection mode, super child memory, and so on and so forth. Let me quickly demonstrate for you. I'll long press this button. Hey, rage mode is now active. Long press it again. Hey, rage mode is off. Next, let's take a look right here.
That's right. For this small tablet co-tuned by Boss, I think it's really necessary to let you all hear the sound quality.
The entire world, against the headwind, desperately strives to soar.
K Pad 2 definitely keeps the popular dual USB-C ports and central UC architecture from the previous gen. So for this generation's hardware upgrades, first, it's the Dimensity 9500 paired with a 9100 mAh battery. Battery life is definitely stronger for such a small tablet, right? The performance you're all concerned about, honestly. I think something born for gaming doesn't need testing. I suggest you check YLab directly. We also got 2 sets of data from them. Don't worry, they gave their permission. But I really feel that this screen upgrade is quite significant this time. Firstly, it's an LCD screen, and as you know, it's naturally easy on the eyes. But aside from gaming and performance, I truly believe the screen's upgrade is very apparent. First, it's been upgraded to 165 Hz, and it supports many games like Delta Force, which we'll discuss later. And also, everyone, don't you think this LCD screen looks quite vibrant overall? The reason is simple. This generation's screen peak brightness has increased to 1100 nits from the last one. Let me repeat, this is an LCD screen, and I recall it's over 50% brighter than the previous one. As a small tablet geared towards gaming, we know screen touch response is very important. Redmi, this time interestingly, brought a 540 Hz multi-finger touch sampling rate. In the joystick area, you'll feel movement is smoother and more responsive. For skill click areas, you'll feel the instant response is much quicker. In the system function area, they've used a suppression algorithm to reduce accidental touches. For the map, they upgraded the anti-stray algorithm. Simply put, they've gone to great lengths to optimize your gaming experience. What's more, they've also included a 400 Hz ultra-sensitive gyroscope this time. For example, when playing Delta Force, its gyroscope delay is only 42 milliseconds. Besides gaming, it's actually a great office companion for daily use. For example, PC-level applications, it has those too. Or for instance, connecting with your Redmi or Xiaomi phone. I use that quite a lot. And for another example, it also supports a stylus. At the same time, it can also be a great companion for Apple devices. After all, this is a HyperOS feature. Finally, let me add one more thing. The vibration on this thing is still great. Dual X-axis linear motor, 20815. Rest assured, how do you feel after this video? Let's chat in the comments. Bye-bye.